How to connect Mivi Soundbar to TV. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Mivi Soundbar to TV. So to get started, go ahead and select your options. So there are three options. The option one would be HDMI ARC. Check your TV for an HDMI ARC port, usually labeled as ARC. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the TV's ARC port. Plug the other end into the HDMI ARC port on the Mivi soundbar. And on your TV, go to Settings, Audio Output, select HDMI ARC or External Speaker, and enable CC or ARC settings if needed. Now, the second option that you have is optical cable. Connect the optical cable from your TV's optical out to the soundboard's optical in. Change your TV's audio output to out optical or digital audio out. Select the optical input on the soundbar using its remote or onboard controls. And lastly would be AUX or RCA cable. Use a 3.55 mm AUX cable or RCA to AUX adapter. Plug into the headphone. Jack or RCA output on your TV and connect the other and to the AUX input on the soundbar. Set the soundbar to AUX mode. And that is how you can basically connect Mivi soundbar to TV.